After some time, 5-10 minutes he danced. Then his father, same thing. After his father, again his wife, same thing. Right? And 45 minutes we did this Sankirtan in his house. And after that, we were going to his kitchen, we were going to his bathroom, we were going to his bedroom, we were going everywhere. Right? 45 minutes we did. And whenever we see something, we again chant loudly. Right? And after 45 minutes, everything is silent. Right? And never he was attacked. Of course, after that he started reading. Right? Yes, ghosts are there. Because when you do, most likely when you commit suicide, you remain as a ghost for that period of time, because your body is given for a certain period of time. Suppose this body is given to me for 40 years. At the age of 30, I committed suicide. So next 10 years you have to remain as a ghost, because your next body is only after 40 years. Is that clear? So ghosts are there. Yes. Any other question?
So
yes.
Krishna is inconceivable.
Yes, inconceivable.
So other forms of Vishnu, that is Parshuram, are they also inconceivable?
Who?
Other avatars of Vishnu.
They are all same, but never see them differently. Please don't see. Krishna and Rama, they are not different. They are same. My dear friend. Krishna, Vishnu, they are same. Don't make this mistake. Yes. Yes.
So you say that ghosts, you told us about the why ghosts are there. So if someone died untimely, only in that case they got, they got ghosts.
Yeah. See, it is not a straightforward law by which one becomes a ghost. There are so many reasons one can become. A very simple person also may be sent to the ghost body. And ghost means you don't get a gross body. You have only subtle body. So that's why, because they have subtle body, suppose and you see that if you are chanting Hare Krishna, if you are chanting Krishna's name, I can guarantee you, neither snakes will attack you nor ghosts will attack you. This even I have experienced it. Right? So, because when you are sinful, then they easily capture you. So ghosts capture those who are mostly sinful, weak. You have to be spiritually potent. Then they will not be near.
So why they capture?
Because they want to enjoy. Okay? Suppose तुम्हारा मन में भूख है और इधर खाना नहीं जा रहा है, संतुष्टि आएगा क्या? नहीं आएगा. So they want a gross body to enjoy. Okay? That's why they attack. Yes, your second question.
Second question is, what is black magic? Is it something like this or not?
Yeah, this is existing, but
It can be used.
yeah, this is particularly in Bengal and Assam.
The negative vibes and the positive vibes.
Yeah, this black magic is that, I don't want to talk about this. This is a mode of ignorance. Yes, those who practice black magic, they capture many souls.
But it exists.
Yes, it exists. Assam's Kamakhya, what is it, Kamakhya?
Kamakhya Devi.
No, there is a place called, that's the entire area, Kamakhya Puri or something. It was known for black. Okay? Yes, you can practice, but that's very low level, very low level. Yes. Yes.
Sir, after we die and we get another body, why we forget what happened in the last body?
Very good question. Very good question. आप इधर आओ. Look in that direction. What is your name?
Hidanshu. Hidanshu Sani.
Hitanshu. At 12 o'clock today, what did you do? At 12 o'clock today, what did you do? Okay.
I was operating a computer.
Eh?
I was operating.
It looks also like that. If I ask this question in this way, how much you remember? Eh? Eh? So many friends have spoken to you so badly and you have felt so bad. How many of those bad feelings you remember now? Eh? Tell me.
Some bad feelings.
Eh? Very rarely you remember things, right? Even in this life. Okay? Now you go. I'll give you the answer. You see, you imagine you scolded me very badly, humiliated me. If I remember that all the time, what will happen to me? I'll enter into depression, yes or no? That's why Krishna says, Sarvascha